Hi guys, welcome to a brand new episode of PSLE Maths Secrets Review. So today we are going to explore a very simple fractions question that unfortunately has created some trouble for some children the past few years. So if you would like to know how to solve this question, stay with me all the way till the end and we will discover the solution together. But for now, let's do a quick dive into the question. Haresh and Junwei saved $720 altogether. So I'm going to demonstrate how I actually do my annotation. And it's mentioned that 1/4 of Haresh's savings, $50 more than 2/5 of Junwei's savings. And it's mentioned how much money did Haresh save. So I'd like to tell everyone that the fastest method, the clearest method for a question like this is none other than to draw models, okay? To draw models. And very shortly, I'm going to demonstrate how this can be done. So we have Haresh, we have Junwei. So I would like to spell them out, Haresh and Junwei. These are names of boys from Singapore, alright? So it is mentioned that 1/4 of Haresh's savings was $50 more than 2/5 of Junwei's savings. And how can I achieve that? How can I draw the model? So to start things off, I will draw a rectangle of a good size. And I'll need to indicate 2/5 of Junwei's savings, which means that this rectangle itself has got to be 2 units, and they represent Junwei's savings. And for Haresh, it has got to be 2 units with an extra 50. Okay, with an extra 50. So at this juncture, I'm not very sure if 50 is more or less than 1 unit. It actually doesn't matter. But for the purpose of this question, for everyone's demonstration, I will just show that 50 is slightly longer, slightly more than 1 unit. Alright, and I would like to extend the line up. So I will call this my comparison line. Okay, my comparison line. So there we have it. We have 2 units for Junwei. We have 2 units with a 50 for Haresh. And this 2 units and 50, I can actually call it one part for Haresh. And I'll have to complete the rest of the model. And it will be easier for me to complete the one for Junwei first. So I'm just proceeding to draw the model. And I'm done. So Junwei, we have to double check that there's a total of 5 units. And for Haresh, I will need to draw another 3 parts. Okay, another 3 parts. So I'll put that down. So the color over here is just for everyone's benefit. Is how I would like to make the question clearer. Okay? For those of you at home who are trying this question out alongside with me. So I have, 1 part, 2 parts drawn already. I'll just quickly want to complete the question, complete the model for Haresh. Okay, so another 2 more parts. So up till now, I have drawn 3 parts. So I'm almost done. I just have to finish up. So there I have it. I guess I'm almost done. Okay. So Haresh has 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts, and 4 parts. It's all indicated nicely in my model. I will also show in the model itself that the total amount is 720. So having drawn the model for both Haresh and Junwei, I can actually proceed to solve the question. Okay? So I will actually want to remove the 50 from Haresh. And my first step will be 50 multiplied by 4, and that will be 200. Thereafter, I will need to remove this 200 from the entire model. And if I were to do that, and I start counting, there will be a total of, say, 8 plus 5 units. So 8 units from Haresh, 5 units from Junwei, and that's a total of 13 units. So 13 units will just be 720, subtract away 200, 520. And finding 1 unit is so simple. I'll just take 520 divided by 13. Since I can use my calculator, 520 divided by 13, and that's actually 40. So the question wants us to find Haresh. So Haresh is basically 8 units plus 200. So let me just write this down. Haresh is 8 units plus 200. From the model, it's very clear. 8 units plus 200. And that is 40 multiplied by 8 plus 200. And if I key everything into the calculator, the answer is 520. But getting the answer 520 is not just our goal. Our goal must always be to check if our answer is correct. Alright? We need to check. And checking is not working backwards. Okay? Working backwards is not a very good way to check. So I've always informed my students that the best way of checking is to use another way to get the same solution. And I will demonstrate this, okay, to everyone. So earlier on it's mentioned that Haresh is actually, 4 parts, okay, based on the denominator form. So what exactly is 1 part? Alright, so 1 part has got to do with 2 units plus 50. Okay, let me just quickly write this down. 2 units plus 50, which is 2 times 40 plus 50. And if I key this into the calculator, it's actually 130. And Haresh, we can say that he is either 8 units plus 200 or 4 parts. So if it's going to be 4 parts, it will be 130 multiplied by 4. And that's why I'm very happy when I actually obtain 520. And usually I will inform my students, they can actually draw a smiley face to encourage them along when they are trying to solve this question in the exam. Guys, if you enjoyed today's video or you got anything out of it whatsoever, please hit the thumbs up, hit the like button. Also comment below, let us know where you guys are tuning in from. That's always nice for us to know. And finally, if you are new to this channel and you haven't already, remember, hit the subscribe, hit the notifications button. There's a little bell sign by the way. Because this year we are committed to making weekly videos to hold you accountable and to make this your best year in mathematics. But for now, this is Teacher Ray signing off. Bye bye!